Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable adult content warnings on the X app, so you stay informed about sensitive content when browsing. Whether you prefer to receive a warning before viewing adult material, this setting helps you manage what you see on X. First, open the X app on your device. At the top left corner of the screen, tap your profile icon to access your account menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This will open a menu with various options to customize your experience. From there, tap on Privacy and Safety, which is where you control many of your viewing and privacy preferences. Within this section, find and tap on content you see. Here, you'll see options related to the type of content displayed in your feed. Next, tap on Sensitive Media Settings. This option gives you control over how the app handles media that might be graphic or adult-oriented. Under this menu, select Adult Content. To ensure you are warned before viewing any adult material, choose the Warn option. This setting will keep a warning label on such content, giving you the choice to view or skip it, so you're never caught off guard. And that's it. Following these steps will enable adult content warnings on your X app, giving you control and peace of mind about what appears on your feed. Whether you want to be cautious or have a more open experience, this setting can be adjusted anytime by revisiting these same menus. Enjoy exploring X with added safety and control tailored to your preferences. Thanks for tuning in.